S. Today, working with a sheet of two-tone HDPE, or high-density polyethylene. To hold our piece down, I'm using a portable vacuum system developed by Airways. This means no hold-down screws or tabs. We'll be using an 1/8" end mill for both our pocket and profile toolpaths. First, we'll carve out our zebra stripes, and then we'll cut out our letter. HDPE is a lightweight, durable plastic that is resistant to UV radiation, can withstand harsh weather conditions. It's also incredibly easy to mill using a ShopBot CNC machine. We'll finish this up by cutting out the profile of our letter, turning off our vacuum system, and admiring our work.